Hi guys, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today's topic is about rectangle. So let's start. First draw a rectangle. It is a rectangle. First named it A, V, C and D. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. It is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, 4 corners, means 4 interior angles, 4 vertices, etc. As a quadrilateral have or parallelogram, and rectangle is a special case of parallelogram because almost it satisfies all the conditions of a parallelogram. And here A, B, C, D in a rectangle, the first conditions that the opposite sides are parallel and same in length. A, B and C, D are opposite sides. A, B, C, D are opposite sides and A, D and B, C are opposite sides. So here, if this geometrical enclosed figure A, B, C, D is a rectangle, then A, B, C, D should be parallel to each other and same in length. Means AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD in length. Similarly, AD parallel to BC and AD is equal to BC. AD parallel to BC and AD is equal to BC. They are same in length. So here I have put arrow marks to show parallel by red color pen. Here AB parallel to CD and AD by putting double arrow mark. Here AD and BC parallel to each other. And another conditions in a rectangle that AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC means opposite sides are same. So AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. By putting dotted line, some short line, here I marked that these opposite sides are same in length. Rectangle is a special case of parallelogram. Again, I repeat it. Rectangle is a quadrilateral having 4 sides, 4 number vertices and 4 interior angle as parallelogram. Rectangle is a special case of parallelogram because rectangle satisfies the conditions of parallelogram. Parallelogram conditions that opposite sides are parallel. Here opposite sides are parallel. So it is a special case of parallelogram and it is a 2D shaped enclosed geometrical figure. Then let's come towards its angles properties. Here angles, as you know, rectangle is a special case of parallelogram. So first it is a parallelogram, then it is a rectangle. So in a parallelogram you know very well that opposite sides are same, but in a rectangle mostly all the angles, each angle is 90 degree, means adjacent side of a rectangle meets at an angle 90 degree, make an angle right angle. Here AB and AD are adjacent sides. So AB and AD meets at the point A and make an angle of 90 degree, which is right angle. Here A is right angle. Similarly, C is the opposite sides of quadrilateral. So here A and C both are right angles and D and B are also right angles. So each angle, all the 4 angles of a rectangle is right angle. Adjacent sides of a rectangle meets at a right angle, make an angle of 90 degree. Okay, and opposite sides are same, as you know. So here you can write A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 90 degree, and you know sum of interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. If you add these angles, these 4 angles A, B, C and D, then the total sum of interior angle will be 360 degree. So each angle of rectangle is same and this is 90 degree. They meets at the point, they meets and make an angle of 90 degree, the adjacent sides of a rectangle. And then comes towards its diagonal property. Here you know diagonal is a line segment by joining the opposite vertices. Here A and C are the opposite vertices and D and V are the opposite vertices. Otherwise you can tell that non-consecutive vertices which are not adjacent. A and C are not adjacent vertices, and D and B are not adjacent vertices. So A and C are the opposite vertices and B and D opposite vertices. If you join these two opposite vertices, then the line segment is formed, and this line is the diagonal of this rectangle. Here VD the line segment by joining the opposite vertices of the rectangle ABCD. So BD is a diagonal, and another diagonal like BD, that is AC. AC is another diagonal. So here AC and BD are the diagonals. In a rectangle, when it comes about its diagonals property, the diagonals are same. Here AC is equal to BD. In a rectangle, in each rectangle, every rectangle's diagonals are same. AC is equal to BD. But yes, you know rectangle is a special case of parallelogram, and you know parallelogram rectangles bisect each other. Parallelograms rectangle bisect each other. So if the intersection point of this diagonal is O, then OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. So here diagonals are bisect each other. Again, I repeat it. Here rectangle is a quadrilateral having 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 interior angles. Rectangle is a special case of parallelogram because it satisfies the main condition, the first conditions of parallelogram, that opposite pair of sides are parallel. Here in a rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and also they are same in length. Here AB is equal to CD, where AD is equal to BC, and opposite pairs are parallel. AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Then the next conditions about its angles. Here you know parallelograms angles, opposite angles are same. So here it is rectangle and also it is a parallelogram. So its angles, opposite angles are same, and each angle is same. So here there are 4 angles. So each angle is 90 degree, and the adjacent sides of a rectangle make an angle of 90 degree. So each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. All angles are having same value, which is 90 degree. And then come towards its diagonal property. Here there are 2 diagonals. Diagonals is the line segment by joining 2 opposite vertices of a quadrilateral, otherwise of a polygon. So here this is a quadrilateral. Polygon means this is the quadrilateral, and A, C are the opposite vertices and D and B are the opposite vertices. So A, C and B, D are the diagonals of this rectangle, and diagonals are same. In a rectangle, diagonals are same, and diagonals intersection point here is O, and this point, at this point the diagonals bisect each other. Okay, this is all about property and conditions of rectangle. In my next video, we'll learn about square. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.